Instagram request message short by filters option not showing problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Now search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now open Instagram and then tap on profile icon. Now click on three line icon. Scroll down. Go to help option. Click on report a problem. Again click on report problem. Now click on include and continue option. Here describe your issue. After describe your issue, now send your report. Just tap on send option. After this step, now restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.